Okay. So take the page number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. From these pages, we can prepare, you can prepare the question. So 5 pages, solid 5 pages, you will get so many questions from this. Savio, are
How
you there?
many questions?
As many questions as possible. Now we are going to discuss this on Monday also, next Wednesday also. So as many questions possible before the coming exam, we have to discuss. Yes. Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
start preparing. Make now. Savio, very less number, only 15 students are there. What happened to others? They all went for drinking tea or what? Hmm? When I ask, don't tell me that you didn't prepare, okay? So as fast as possible, prepare. Prajot, sectors of Indian economy, take that.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the page number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Objective type questions, okay? Not the big questions. Like one word, it can be, the answer can be one word. It can be fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, page number can you tell again?
20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I hope you can see the screen. Everyone switch on your video. Let me see whether you people are sitting there or not. John, Jahan, you're preparing, right? Questions from these pages of economics.
Okay, ma'am.
Aman, are you preparing? And Steve finished?
No, ma'am.
No. How many questions you prepared?
6.
6. Okay, that's enough. We'll start.
Ma'am, that's small questions only.
Small question only we want. Yes or no? Okay, we'll start then. Yes. Others can prepare in between and they can, when I ask, they can answer also. Surya. Surya, on your video. Okay, first question. Hand Steve.
Ma'am, simple questions only.
Simple only we want. Yes.
Which all are the
Hmm.
3 sectors?
What are the 3 sectors? Okay. Meghna, can you tell? Not audible.
Primary, secondary.
Primary. Then?
Secondary.
Okay. Secondary. One more. Okay. Tertiary sector. Okay. It's not audible. Okay. Second question.
Another name of primary sector.
Another name for primary sector. Aditya, can you tell? Another name for primary sector.
Agriculture sector.
Agriculture, is it correct, Steve?
Agriculture, correct.
Then agriculture, correct. Little more is remaining, right?
Yes.
What is that?
Agriculture and related sector.
Yes, agriculture and related sector. Okay, next question.
GDP stands for.
Yes, very good. GDP stands for. Aman. Aman, GDP stands for what? Do you know or not? Jahan, do you know? Louder, louder. Gross domestic product. Okay. Next question.
Service sector
Hmm.
provides
Hmm.
the
Service.
services.
Service sector provides services.
Or the names of services.
Okay, you want some names, examples of service sector. That's what you're asking.
Yes.
Okay. Johan, can you tell some examples for tertiary sector or service sector? Johan.
Like police,
Police, that is correct.
security guards, and
Security guards. Okay, correct. Hospitals and all those things.
doctors.
Yes, doctors and all those things will come under tertiary sector. Very good. Next, any question? And Steve?
Ma'am, enough. No.
Enough, enough. Okay, okay, enough, enough. Arjun? Questions?
Service sector.
Not audible.
Service sector also includes some essential services that may affect production.
Slowly.
Service sector also includes some essential services that may not directly affect production of goods.
Hmm.
Write some examples.
What? What are?
Write the examples of that.
Okay, what are those essential service? That's what you're asking. Okay. Meghna, can you tell?
Can you repeat the question?
Can you repeat the question? Arjun, don't go very fast. So you have to repeat them so many times.
Service sector also includes some essential services that may not directly help in production of goods.
Hmm.
Give some examples for
Give some examples for service sector essential service. That's what he is asking.
Transport,
Transport,
banking,
or banking. Okay. Second question.
The secondary sector covers activities in which dash products are changed into
Hmm.
forms through ways of manufacturing that associate with the dash industry.
Okay, Badra, can you tell the answer?
ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah. Yes, once more.
The sector covers activities
No,
in
no,
which
no, it's not audible. Not audible.
secondary sector covers activities in which dash forms through ways of manufacturing that associate with
We are not able to hear you. Okay, I will ask another person. Escaped, okay? Badra, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
GDP is the total value of dash produced during a particular year.
Okay, GDP is a dash. What is that? Of goods produced in a particular year. Haya, can you tell? Everyone switch on your video first. Yes, Adil, Naz, what happened suddenly? Fia, Aman, Rose, Adidev, all first. Naz, I hope you are ready. Okay. So you will be asking the
Ma'am,
questions
I
after
was
this.
not having the textbook with me.
You are not having the textbook. Why?
I'm not in my house.
Okay. Question once more, Badra.
GDP is the total value of dash produced during
Okay.
a particular year.
Okay, I hope you all heard. Rifa, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, question one more time.
See, listen. Yes, yes, Adidev, you are correct.
Ma'am, the sound is getting cut.
Okay, say once more, Bhadra.
GDP is the total value of dash produced during a particular year.
What is that?
The sum of production in 3 sectors.
No, no, no. What type of goods she is asking? She's meaning,
Final
yeah,
goods
yes,
and
yes, yes.
services
Final
produced
goods.
within a country.
Okay, final only she is asking. Final goods. Okay, next one.
GDP stands for
GDP stands for someone asked before, so you can put another question.
Ma'am, this also I should answer.
No. Another question.
nature of activity is classified into.
Nature of activities classified into. Okay. Fia, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector.
Okay, so these are the 3 sectors which is classified into. Okay, next question. Any more question, Bhadra, you prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
In India, the mammoth task of measuring GDP is undertaken by dash.
Okay, who is responsible for collecting the data related to GDP? Aditya, do you know? Aditya is Krishna.
Central Minister.
What is that? Answer is correct. Central Ministry or Central Government. Okay.
Central Government Ministry.
Yeah, correct. Next. Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next. Who can ask next? No. What? Aditya, did you ask? No. Yes. Start.
Which sector has seen is given more importance over the past 100 years?
Once more.
Which sector has been seeing more importance given to it over the past 100?
Okay, during the past 100 years, which sector has become important? That is what he is asking. Prajod, do you know?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Which sector has become more important in the past 100 years?
Service sector.
Service sector, that's correct. Okay, next question, Aditya.
All others same.
All what you have prepared, it is same. Okay. Then Rifa. Aditya is Krishna. What about you? Have you completed questions?
Only few, ma'am.
Only few. Rifa, I will ask afterwards because I think I gave you a chance in the previous class. So let her
Yes,
ask.
ma'am.
Yeah. After this I will ask you. Okay. Aditya, you can ask now whatever questions you have. Yes.
Which sector is the base for all other products that we
Substantially make. Okay. Naz, you have any idea? Naz. Once more, can you repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Just hear one question and see whether you are getting the answer or not.
Which sector is the base for all other products that we subsequently make?
Okay, there is one sector that is considered as a base sector for making other things. Naz, do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you 3 sectors. Out of that, you just think which one it will be. Okay, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Which one is the base one? Tertiary sector. You heard the question. You heard the question. Once more, you hear which sector is the base sector which forms or which helps in the further production. Primary only. Okay. So here it is, you see it is primary, that is the first one, that will be the base for other sectors. Okay. So that means you don't know what is tertiary sector, right? Naz? Yes or no? Do you know what is the tertiary sector?
I'm just getting confused. That's all.
For that, no, you should attend the classes. Okay. Next question.
Using cotton fiber from plant with spin yarn and weave cloth is an example of which sector? Example for which sector?
Example for which sector? Once more you repeat.
Using cotton fiber from the plant, we spin yarn and weave clothes. That is an example for
Which sector? Okay. Hence, Steve. Which sector? Yeah. Cloth, cotton we are taking. We are converting that into cloth. It will come under which sector?
Secondary.
Secondary sector. Okay. Next question.
Another name for tertiary sector.
Tertiary. Tertiary. Okay. Another name for tertiary sector. Aya, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Service sector.
Service sector. Very good. Okay. That is the answer. Next.
ATM booths, lawyer, teachers, etc. The example for.
Okay. These are coming under which sector? That is what she is asking. Fia, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Once more, can you repeat?
ATM booths, lawyers, teachers, that comes under which, that are the examples of which type of sector?
What sector? Just let me ask, who is this Surya Krishna? This person is in our class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so before his name, any initial is there?
P.H. Surya Krishnadas.
Oh, that is why. Okay. Okay. You can ask. Did you ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were asking ATM booth,
Tertiary
that
sector,
one.
ma'am.
Okay, Fia told, okay, and tertiary sector. Now, one more question is there? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. Surya. No, when Surya, did you prepare the question? Yes or no, Surya? Did you prepare the question or not? If you unmute and tell. Yes or no? You don't want to hear what you are telling? Is it like that?
Yes, ma'am.
You prepared?
Ma'am, he is saying yes.
Okay, then you can start asking question. Unmute and ask, okay?
What is called industrial sector?
Louder.
What is called industrial sector?
What is known as industrial sector? What is known as industrial sector? The answer will be very big, right? Or you are asking what is the other name for industrial sector? Okay, I can convert it into like that. What is the other name for industrial sector? Adil, can you tell? Adil. Or if you cannot speak, you can.
Secondary sector.
Okay, very good. Secondary sector. Okay. Next question. Surya. Aman, you are ready with the question, right? Okay, Surya, second question. Now we are searching for question or what? That is what? Yes. Louder, louder, we can't hear. Nothing we can hear. Okay. So you people, na? Aman, start.
Under which sector do teachers, doctors, and barbers, cobblers, lawyers, and all?
Okay. Savio. Savio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he asked one question. Answer.
Can you repeat those?
Once more, can you repeat?
Under which sector do lawyers, teachers, doctors, cobblers, barbers, and all come?
Savio, you heard?
Primary sector.
My God.
And that option, that option, that example, can you say?
See, what he asked, under which sector the work of teachers, the work of lawyers, barbers, and all will come?
Industrial sector.
My God.
When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of dash sector.
Okay, once more, can you repeat? Everyone should listen, okay? I can ask anyone. Don't tell me afterwards, you repeat the question.
When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it's an activity of dash sector.
Okay, Surya, do you know the answer? Surya. No response. Fia, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Primary sector.
Primary sector, that is correct. Okay. Next question.
Dash sector covers activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through ways
Dash.
of manufacturing that we associate with industrial.
Okay, once more you have to repeat that.
Dash sector covers in activities which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing
Okay,
that
Adidev,
we
do you know the
associate with
answer?
industrial activity.
Rifa, correct. John,
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Do you know the answer?
Question.
2 times I made him to repeat.
And it was not clear.
Aman, you have to repeat once more.
Dash sector covers activities in which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing that we associate with industrial activity.
Which sector? Manufacturers.
Manufacturers.
Which sector is manufacturing is happening?
The secondary.
Adil, you are correct, okay? Okay, Aman. Done? Unmute and talk.
Ma'am, other questions are discussed by others, so
Okay. Adidev, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Dash shows how big the economy is.
What is it? Dash?
Dash shows how big the economy is.
Dash shows how big the economy is, right?
Yes.
Okay. Badra, do you know the answer?
GDP.
Yes, right? Next question.
Rest all is discussed.
Rest all is discussed. Okay, Rifa.
Ma'am, all my questions everybody asked.
My God, that's all. Or that's all you people could get from these 5 pages. Anyone is having some different question? Johan.
Ma'am, I have one question that no one
Okay,
asked. I
tell.
think so. Ma'am, the cultivation of cotton take place within a dash.
Within which sector you are asking?
No, ma'am, within
Ah.
dash.
Okay, there is something they have given. Okay, fine. Who can say the answer? Prajot, do you know?
Crop season.
Within the cropping season, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, something they have given related to the elements of also that require the growth of cotton plant also they have given, I think. It is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
in that sector, primary sector beginning, you can see that. Okay, any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Rose, what about Rose? Now don't tell that every question is discussed, so it's very easy. Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The questions, whatever you prepared, you then ask. That is better.
When we produce a good by exploitation natural resources, it is an activity of dash sector.
Okay. Haya, can you tell? Haya. So what about the last pages you people have not touched or what? Like that 24th and 23rd pages and all? Hmm? GDP page number is which one? What is the page number for that GDP?
23 and 22.
23 and 22. So beyond that, you have not gone only or what? I told 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, right? To 24th page, nobody went. Okay, so one question was asked. What is that? Okay, once more, can you repeat, Rose?
When we produce a good by exploitation natural
Yeah, when we
resources, it
produce
is an
something
activity of
and
dash
we
sector.
exploit the
Resources, it is
natural
an
product,
activity of
what
dash
is
sector.
that? That comes under which sector? Okay, Prajot,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
When you exploit the natural resource and produce, when you get the things from nature, which sector it is? It is coming under which sector?
Primary sector.
Primary sector. Rose, second question.
In the past 100 years, there has been a further shift from secondary to tertiary sector in dash countries.
No, your voice is breaking in between. John, you have kept it mute and you're talking. It's mute, it's showing. Yeah,
In
now
the
it's okay.
past 100 years,
Huh.
further shift from secondary to tertiary sector in dash countries.
Okay, in which type of countries you can see the last stage of development, that is from secondary to tertiary stage of development. So somebody has given the answer that is, Fia has given the answer that is correct. Can anyone say that? Who knows the answer?
Developed country.
Developed countries, that is correct. Okay. John? John, is there any problem with your mic? No.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your questions?
Ma'am, in the year of 2013 and 14, which sector is more?
Which sector is more prominent? That's what you're asking.
Primary sector.
Ma'am,
In year 2013
13 and 14. 13 to 14.
and 14.
Tertiary sector.
Is it correct, John?
Yes, ma'am.
You're seeing the graph or what? From that you have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. Next question. Have you more questions with you? You can ask. John, some problem with your audio? No, it's not connected, it is showing.
Primary sector provide dash.
Primary sector provides a dash. Till there we got. Is that the question?
To the industrial sector.
Okay, primary sector provides dash to the industrial sector. Arjun, what is the answer? Huh? Okay, repeat you want. Okay, primary sector provides a dash to the industrial sector. Primary sector provides what? What things to the industrial sector?
Materials.
Raw materials, correct. Okay, next question, Meghna.
Secondary sector is associated with different kinds of dash.
Secondary sector is associated with different kinds of dash. Rose, do you know the answer?
No, it was not clear.
Secondary sector is associated with different kinds of dash. Is that you are asking, right? Meghna?
Yes.
Yes. It is, I think 2 words will be there. Aditya, do you know?
I am not sure, but I think it is industrial activities.
Meghna? Correct?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Industrial activities only. Okay. Next one.
Tertiary sector provide dash to the other two sectors.
Okay. Tertiary sector provides dash to the other sectors. Prajot?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Tertiary
Ma'am,
sector.
can you repeat?
Tertiary sector provides dash to other sectors. What is that?
Support.
Not support. What they provide, you think? What do they provide? Are they providing goods, raw materials?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Huh?
Support.
Ma'am, tertiary.
Tertiary sector is providing what to the other
Sectors.
sectors. Yeah, I was about to tell the answer. That's why. What it provides? Anyone? Who knows?
Support for production.
Is it?
Support.
Is it support? What it provides from this service? Who said that answer? Who said?
Arjun.
Arjun. Okay. Services. That is what they are
Essential
providing,
services.
right? Okay, very good. Okay, now Adil. Present, right?
Ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Aditya. Aditya is absent. Aditya Krishna, present.
ma'am.
Afsana, absent. Aman, present. Amina, absent. Anchita, absent. Anne Mary. Today, many are absent. Arjun, present. Ashik, absent. Badra, present. Emil, absent. Fia, present. Razia, absent. Hadi Amin, absent. Haya, present. Hen Steve, present. Johan, present. John, present. Rizwan, absent. Lolita, absent. Meghna, present. Melvin, absent. Aman, Mohammad Aman, absent. Naz, Naz, are you there or she went?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nirupama, absent. Nisya, absent. Surya, present. Adidev, Prajot, Pratyush, absent. Rifa, present. Rose, present. Sainaba, present. Savio, present.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, absent. Vishnu Priya, present. Present or absent? Vishnu Priya, absent. Okay, then. Bye, everyone. So read the chapter thoroughly. Start preparing the questions. Prepare and keep the questions, okay? Remaining pages and all. We will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.